Crash Course Instrumentation, Episode 24, NEMA versus IEC, Decoding Electrical Symbols in the Real World. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crash Course Instrumentation. In this episode, we're going straight into the world of electrical symbols, the ones you see on schematics, loop diagrams, and control panels. But did you know there are two major standards used around the world? Yep, NEMA and IEC. Let's explore how to tell them apart, why both matter, and how being symbol smart can help you read, design, and troubleshoot like a pro. NEMA versus IEC, what's the difference? NEMA equals North American Standard, used heavily in the US, Canada. IEC equals International Electrotechnical Commission, used globally. Both define how symbols are drawn, but their style and structure are quite different. NEMA symbols, more pictorial, show the actual form of the device. Easier to interpret quickly for beginners. Widely used in US panel and motor control diagrams. IEC symbols, more abstract and minimalist, designed for compactness in complex diagrams, common in international and PLC-driven systems. Side-by-side symbol examples. Let's compare a few common devices. 1. Push-button switch. NEMA, a full circle with a vertical break or dot. IEC, a tiny open or closed square with a diagonal slash. 2. Relay coil. NEMA, a rectangle labeled with the coil ID. IEC, a small box or circle with reference numbers. 3. Normally, open contact. NEMA, parallel lines with a gap. IEC, open-ended slash angles. Knowing the difference is crucial. Misreading a contact symbol could mean wiring a circuit wrong or misdiagnosing a fault. Where you'll see these symbols. Both NEMA and IEC show up in panel layout drawings, loop diagrams, PINIDs, PLC input-output tables, safety interlock systems. If you work internationally, you'll almost always need to be bilingual in symbol standards. Even at BTC, most of our training and fieldwork uses NEMA, but IEC is becoming more common in smart devices and European equipment. Symbol fluency equals troubleshooting power. When something goes wrong, your first tool is the drawing. If the symbols are unfamiliar or inconsistent, you're flying blind. If they're wrong, you must redline the diagram, mark the correction, date it, and report it. Field engineers often update loop diagrams when symbols don't match the install. This isn't extra credit, it's core instrumentation practice. Wrap up, electrical symbols are the language of control systems. Understanding NEMA versus IEC lets you move between industries, equipment, and drawings without missing a beat. Be the tech who catches the wrong contact symbol before it becomes a startup disaster. Like, subscribe, and share with anyone who's had to translate a messy loop diagram. Join the Facebook group. And huge thanks to Tony Coupault and the ModEL open source community via biblio.org/Coupault Socratic Model Index ATM.